If you are seeing an error of Roblox not loading on your iOS, then here is the fix for you. At first, let's try restarting the app. For that, drag up from the bottom on Android and swipe up on iOS, then remove the app and now try to open it once again. Go and see if you are now able to join. If you still can't, you want to go and tap on the bottom and click on find servers, and then you can go and join a server directly. Go and see if that works. If it still doesn't, try restarting your device and it should fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.